Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Blackbox AI and ChatGPT. So if you don't know, both of them are very similar, both of them are very versatile in what they do, so you can ask them anything. So for example, I'm just going to ask them what is 1 plus 1 and they will answer 2, and they basically know anything about anything that you ask them. So which one is which one is right for you? So for Blackbox is actually code-based or code-focused, and it is designed for developers, providing AI-powered code completion. So it has suggestions and debugging assistance. It also has multiple language support. It supports a wide range of programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and more. It also has IDE integration, so it integrates well with popular IDEs like Visual Studio Code and JetBrains. Now the cons of it has limited to coding. It is primarily focused on coding, so it doesn't handle general tasks or non-programming related queries. So for Blackbox, it is more likely it's more powerful when you ask it coding stuff, not so like general stuff like how to clean a house or something. It also has paid plans, requires a subscription for full functionality, especially in team environments. Now we go to ChatGPT here. Now in ChatGPT, it is a versatile use, can handle a wide range of tasks beyond coding, such as writing, research, tutoring, and more. It also has a natural language processing, offers robust conversational abilities, and can generate text in various contexts. It also has a free and paid options. A free version is available with the option to access more advanced features through a paid plan like GPT-4. The cons of it is that it has coding limitations. While it can assist with coding, it is not as specialized as Blackbox for developers looking for highly tailored code assistance. It also has context management. It may sometimes lose track of long conversations or specific details from prior exchanges. So which one is right for you? So if you're a coder, you should choose Blackbox if you're primarily focused on coding, need IDE integration, and value advanced code completions, and choose ChatGPT for general use. Or if you want a versatile all-around AI that can assist with everything from general knowledge to coding, and if you're looking for a more conversational experience. And that is it. That is their difference. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.